Hello everyone, welcome back to the Search Creator YouTube channel, your trusted partner for innovative tech solutions and study materials. So in this video, we're going to see the experiment number 1. The course code is BCS601 and course name is Cloud Computing Integrated Lab. The experiment number 1. In this experiment number 1, the name is creating virtual machine and configure and deploy virtual machine with specific CPU and memory requirement in Google Cloud. So okay, we let us know about how to experiment number 1 do. Firstly, open the Google. Here open new tab. In this new tab, here search the GCP. The first step is going to do the GCP platform dashboard. So click on the first link. Here it can navigating the first the dashboard. Here select the try it in console or else here select the console is there. Click on this button also. So it is navigating the main dashboard. Google Cloud dashboard here shows the your working project name and welcome all these things. You can also see the your account name and all this like this search bar and like this. Okay, so after that the second step is step 2 is open compute engine. In the left side navigation bar is there. Now click on this navigation menu. Here scroll down below. Here compute engine is there. Now click on this and select open submenus, and in this submenus select the VM instances is there. So click on this VM instance. Waiting for me a few minutes. In my case, it is showing directly to the VM instance dashboard because of I already enabled the compute engine API services. So that reason it is directly navigating the VM instance dashboard. In your case, it is not showing like this because of firstly you enable the compute engine API. So first enable the API compute engine API. After that load the again, and after that select the VM instance. After that is loading like this. Here select the create instance. Step 3 configure the virtual machine. The step 3 is this is the step 3 create instance. Click on this button and it is navigating the create virtual machine instance dashboard like this. Here what is their default, leave it everything default, but you can also change only one thing, instance name. It is the instance name. They provide default instance name, but the allow to change the this instance name ym mybm2. I am giving the name is mybm2, and a reason what is their default, provide leave it everything default, and also zone like this, and also scroll down below. Here what is their CPU course, so select the series E2 series and cost low cost day to day computing, and vCPUs 0.232, and memory what is there 1 to 128 GB, and Intel Broadwell. This is the CPU platform. Leave it everything as default and scroll down. Here check it out machine type preset, and machine types E2 medium, 2 vCPU and 1 core 4 GB memory. All these things check it out and explore it. And after that here left menu, here select the OS and storage means to deploy the operating system in cloud computing. So that reason second point is OS and storage. Click on this. Here open the operating system and storage. Here shows the name, your instance name, and type new balanced persistent disk and size, how much size they provided to this virtual machine instance VM instance. Check it out, and snap schedule default schedule, and license type free, and they are also provided free operating system image in local system. In a local system you are already downloaded some like operating system Windows, Linux, Ubuntu like this. That image you provide to local system virtual machine um, application. Same way here also they provide default operating system. If you wanted to change the operating system type or image like Windows or Linux or Ubuntu or Fedora like this, you can also change, but they charge us something like So this is the operating system provide the $25.46 means in Indian rupees converting 2500 something. So in Windows they charge us $50 means 50,000 or 55,000 like this. So that reason we should not change anything to the what is default is there, something leave it everything to the default. Okay, after that scroll down here, check it out, export it, container, back plan, like this, all these things. And also we check it out to vCPU 4 GB and amount 10 GB balanced president, all these things check it out and explore, try to explore. And after that select the networking, it is there na networking, click on this. Here shows the firewall, IP forwarding, network performance configuration, network interfaces like this. So we try to deploy the any operating system. Linux operating system is there now, we provided default. So that should secure some in the operating in the cloud. So that reason it is providing networking. In local system it is not a mandatory to secure the our operating system. So in cloud, so many users using the cloud, so if we anyone can access the our operating system by using our access codes or credentials. So that reason it is showing the this, they're providing the networking. So what is their default, leave it everything or leave it every point to the default. After that export, try to export everything. And after that select the observability. So use what is their default, they selected something, install ops agent for monitoring and logging, your operating system monitoring and logging, all these everything, leave everything to the default. And also try to click the security. Here what is their default selected, leave it everything default. Select the competition service account, so access scopes, credential VM instances, shielded virtual machines, VM access, leave it everything. And also if you try to advanced means you provide the description, your operating system description or virtual machine instance description and reservation, automation, all these things you can try to explore it advanced. Next, after that click on the create button is there na, click on this, your virtual machine is creating now. We just provide the name of the virtual machines and try to export something like this. After that we're showing the VM machine virtual machines instances. So how many virtual machine you have to creating all the virtual machines here listed here. Okay, so wait a few minutes, it is showing the virtual machines and status and zone used by everything is showing. Now it is loaded here. See the status, the instance is running and what we provided VM instance name that is showing here. And after that check the zone, US central, what is their default, same. And your operating system working in the internal IP addresses means you have to use the your operating system by using these IP addresses. So internal IP address is you click to explore something new tab, that is your operating system is your virtual machine instance is running. After that external IP addresses. After that you see the connect means your operating system connect to the in web browser means security, full security. So that reason it's showing the connecting here. Click on the SSH button below navigation bar button. So open in window browser, open in custom port, what is the ports is there, no? So here. And after that vcloud command, you can try to connect the security codes to the SSH by command. So in our laboratory manual already some command is provided, but you should not try to type that command, it is getting error because of, so they charge us something to the money. That reason you should not enter by the that command. After that, so everything is checked. After that go to the command here, activate cloud shell button is there now, click on this. It is opening here and drag it to the above here, connecting, wait a few minutes, it is connecting. So after that connecting, firstly we check it the CPU details. After that, check it the memory details. So there are two in experiment number only. There are two commands. So check it out. Firstly, go to the CPU details. The command is lscpu. This is the first command to check it out the CPU list. What are the aspect using CPUs? So that reason it is first command is lscpu. So command ls means list and CPU means central processing unit. After that, in your keyboard enter. So here it is showing the architecture and CPUs, vendor ID and virtualization features and cache memories, NUMA and vulnerabilities. All these aspects is showing and listed here. So you can explore it. And after that, second command is um, memory details. So command is free hyphen h. Okay, so free means memory and hyphen means human readability format, human readable format. So free means memory command and hyphen h means human readable format. So after that, click to enter in your keyboard and it is showing the so memory and swap two aspect in the memory. So parallel it is showing the total how they provided total memories. They provided 7 GB and we used to creating the virtual machine instance. We used 588 MBs and free. What is their free means 6.3 GB and shared memory we used 1.1 and buff or cache memories we used 1.2 GB and available total available GB means 7.2 GB. So after that swap memories we using these swap memories means main memory to sub primary memory, secondary memory like these memories we used. So there is no use in the swap memory. So that reason is showing the 0 GB and 0 GB. So 0B, 0B like this. Okay, these are all the first experiment commands. After that, we should close the this command, this cloud shell. So click to close cloud shell. After that, we must delete this virtual machine instance because of if you leave it the say compute engine instance it generating the money some money what is there $25 is there now. So that money we should generate our instance. So that reason we must and delete this instance name. Firstly we stop the instance means it is there now running instance is there now. Click on to the we should stop this status stop. Okay, firstly go to the more action is there now. Click on this more actions. Here it is stop button is click on this stop button. Wait a few minutes and after that after the stopping the instance, you must delete this instance by clicking more actions and after clicking to the delete option here this is there now. Click on this delete option and it is showing the are you sure want to delete the instance name and click to instant delete button. So wait few minutes. It is showing the VM instance deleted successfully. Wait till until after that close the Google Cloud dashboard. Hmm. The instance is deleted successfully. So this message is showing and close the close message. Here see the instance what we created is deleted. So now go to the dashboard, come to the click on this Google Cloud, this icon, and after that we come to the dashboard. So this is all about experiment number one. So stay tuned for more videos